Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today we are back at the fort from the last video. So today we're going to be fixing the roof. I think we're going to be making the roof into more of an A-frame roof so that we can have more ceiling room. And then I think we're going to try and dig deeper into the floor to give more room as well. And we need to really dig out the fireplace. So I think our first course of action would be to remove all of the green off the top and put it on the sides so that we can elevate the ceiling more. So let's get to that. Okay, so we just got done clearing off the top. I'm gonna show you guys what it kind of looks like up there. Basically got the entire roof cleared off now, so we're gonna remove all of kind of like the middle supports, and then we're gonna be using those ones for supports to keep up the roof. So I think I'm gonna lace up a middle pole going from this tree right here over to this one right here. Okay, now that we got the fire going pretty good, I think I'm going to try and set up my hammock now so that I can sit on it and get off my feet for a little bit and put my sleeping bag, my pillow, and all that into it. That's sick. I'm gonna set up my sleeping bag in here and my pillow, and then probably change my socks and maybe get in my sleeping bag soon. Honestly, for hammock camping, that was pretty soft. I wasn't expecting it to be that luxurious, but it was. Now I'm gonna pack up my hammock and my sleeping bag and get all my stuff together, and then I think I'm gonna head down there right after I pack everything up. hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't too long as probably the other one because I didn't completely rebuild the whole fort. It was something nonetheless. We spent the night in the hammock and everything. It's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.